All right, let's send it over to Chris with the social media updates. Chris.
Yes, Ryan, thank you. Hi. Yeah, I have been keeping an eye on the social media happenings, and it's been interesting. You at home can follow us on Facebook and Twitter at facebookandtwitter.com. So the first tweet that we have is from Jay Greenleaf, and it says, "What are you boys doing in there? I just hear you singing the Proclaimers. Hashtag 500 miles." Yeah, thank you, Mr. Greenleaf, for your tweet. Much appreciated. We go over to Facebook, and Facebook said a wall post from John Gould, and John says, "So pumped for the competition, can't wait." Hashtag he's done a social media faux pas here, and hashtagged on Facebook. No one should ever do that, and yet we see it far too often. Hang on. I've just gotten an email from Mr. Gould saying, "I'll hashtag where I please. Hashtag I'm gonna cut your salary." Okay, he actually, it works in this situation. Sorry, Mr. Gould.
Thanks, Chris. That's all the time we have today at the KP Studios. Signing off.